Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add affiliate links to your Wix website. To start this tutorial, open manage.wix.com in your internet browser. Once you are here, click on the Edit Site button, and then once you click on it, you will now be redirected to editor.wix.com. Once you're here, click on plus Add Elements. Once you tap on it, you will use the search bar this time. Just tap on the search bar and then search for affiliate. Once you find OSI Affiliate Software, Simple Affiliate, or GoAffPro Affiliate Marketing, choose any of them that you will be of your preference. Again, this will be all up to you. Or you could choose Amazon this time. Just for example, click on Open. And then wait for the website to finish fully loading. Once you are here, you will now be seeing an Amazon icon by Wix. Just click on the button that says Add to Site. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear. Just let the pop-up be. It is just an automatic thing that Wix does. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.